pandemic brought the whole world to a standstill. And in these unprecedented times, the Tata Group is committed to doing their best to strengthen the fight towards COVID 19. And Tata AIA as well stands together, stands strong with their Raksha Kartas. So, ladies and gentlemen, today is going to be a very, very, very exciting session for all of us, all of you who have joined. We have received about more than 15,000 registrations for this webinar, and we are so grateful for this extraordinary support that all of you have shown. And we're all going to have a great session together. And if in case your family members have also joined in, so I'd like to welcome them as well. A very warm welcome to all of us. My question here to you is, are you ready for this day? Are you ready for this session? Okay, hold on. I'm getting an amazing vibe from all of you who are watching already and who's going to join us already. Let's have a great session together. And once again, a very warm welcome. I'm now going to invite on our screen right now Mr. Amit Dave, Chief Agency Officer, Tata AIA Life Insurance, to take over. A very warm welcome, sir.
Thank you so much, Angela. And I think you can feel the buzz, the energy, a lot of positivity around.
Absolutely, sir. Absolutely. Over to you.
Thank you so much, and namaskar. A very good morning, a warm welcome. आप सबका स्वागत है to this very unique program जिसको हम कहते हैं ख्वाबों का रक्षा करण. Get the power, get the power to protect your dreams. My name is Amit Dave. I'm the Chief Agency Officer of Tata AIA Life Insurance, one of the leading insurance companies in India. Let me talk a bit more about our proud parentage. Can we have the presentation? जैसे कि हमारे नाम में है, we are proud. We have two proud parents. On one side we have the Tata Group, and the other side we have AIA. Can we go to the next slide, please? Tata, all of you know, आप सबको पता है. Today Tata Group operates in more than 100 countries. A combined revenue of 106 billion. We have 29 large reputed organizations in the Tata Group, and obviously serving the world, serving India for the last 150 years. On the other side, हमारे दूसरे parent है AIA, one of the leading life insurance companies in the world. आज वो 18 देशों में present है, and look at the combined asset of $256 billion. So, ladies and gentlemen, our two proud parents, Tata and AIA. Tata AIA Life Insurance, and I would just like all of you to focus on this because this is something which unites us. हमारा vision है, our vision is to be the preeminent protection provider, enabling dreams, inspiring healthier and happier lives. Our mission is to provide the best. Our mission is to provide the best and the simplest life and health insurance solutions to our consumers. Hamara motto, which binds us together, is to serve the society. Today we are proud that we are Raksha Kartas. We are Raksha Kartas of our customers, their families, to help them protect their financial future. That's our motto, to serve the society. I'm sure आप सोच रहे होंगे, why should I join the life insurance industry? I think very relevant question, and let me answer it for you. Well, there are बहुत सारे reasons why one should join the life insurance industry, but I think if there are two big main reasons which I can point out and tell you, I've put it on my slide. First, from a customer perspective, अगर हम pre-COVID times देखें, money was all about standard of living. But today, the Indian customer thinks very differently. आज एक इंडियन के लिए नेसेसिटी, स्टेबिलिटी, सिक्योरिटी, ये लाइफ के बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट गोल्स हैं. नेसेसिटी, स्टेबिलिटी, सिक्योरिटी. एंड व्हेन यू लुक एट कि ये जो गोल्स हैं, अगर उनको लॉन्ग टर्म बेसिस में कौन से प्रोडक्ट्स फुलफिल कर सकते हैं, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, the only solution, the only provider for these long term goals is the life insurance industry. And that's the number one reason why one should look at joining the life insurance industry now. Second reason, अगर आप देखते हैं इंडिया में टुडे, द नंबर वन प्रायोरिटी ऑफ एवरी इंडियन इज टू प्रोटेक्ट हिमसेल्फ, हरसेल्फ एंड देयर फैमिलीज. जब आप 92% प्रोटेक्शन गैप देखते हैं इंडिया में, you can see that the potential for life insurance industry is just immense. Today an Indian consumer is looking for experts to give them advice so that they are able
You want to listen to me?
protect and secure their financial future.
Listen.
Ladies and gentlemen, if there is a time, an opportune time to join the life insurance industry, the time is now.
Why do you go to
When
her
it comes to Tata AIA,
when she is busy in listening?
next slide, we believe that we have a fantastic career progression path which is designed for our advisors, for our life planners, and we like to call them that it gives you wings. Now let's we talk about each one of them in detail. First, this is your preference. We can go to the next slide. You can join us in two programs on either one. First, if you believe that you would like to take up आपको ये प्रोफेशन फ्लेक्सी टाइम, यू वांट टू, आप दिन में 4 से 5 घंटे आप डेडिकेट कर सकते हैं, उसके अलावा आप जो कर रहे हैं वो करते रहें, then the proposition we have for you is something which we call the flexi time model or the life planner model. अगर आप जब इसमें ज्वाइन करते हैं on a quarter basis, year on year basis, you continue to do well and progress. The second way you can join, if you believe that this is the time, and I think this is the time, if you want to join on a full-time basis and work together with us to serve the society, then please you can join us in a full-time
Dummy ಆಟ
model which we call as
ಡಮ್ಮಿ ಆಟ ಆಡ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಆಟ ಆಡಬೇಡ.
wealth manager.
ನೀನ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮೋಡ್
In this,
Offline.
ये model में भी आप quarter on quarter, year on year, you progress and you become successful. Once you are a successful life planner, जब आप एक successful life planner या insurance wealth manager बनते हैं, we also give you on selection basis an opportunity to become a leader. इसका मतलब है कि जब आप successful हैं, आप अपनी अंदर, आप अपने नीचे
He is watching
कर
there.
सकते हैं,
He is not
जहाँ
there.
पे आप लाइफ प्लानर जोड़ सकते हैं, इंश्योरेंस वेल्थ
Just check
मैनेजर
if he is there.
ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, एंड यू प्रोग्रेस ऑन अ क्वार्टर, ऑन अ एनुअल बेसिस एज अ लीडर. So very well career path defined as a life planner, as an insurance wealth manager, and eventually you have an option to become a leader. Income. When you look at कोई भी आप
ಗ್ರೀನ್ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರಷ್ಟ ಸ್ಯಾಮಿಯಣ್ಣ ಅದಾನ ಅಂದಂಗೆ.
insurance wealth manager,
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಜು ಗ್ರೀನ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಡಿ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 1 hour ಬ್ಯಾಕ್
whether it is the first year
no one is there.
renewal commission, in some streams you have monthly
Offline
regular
atta.
rewards, or you have promotion bonuses. I'm very happy to share कि जब हम देखते हैं कि हमारे top life planners, top insurance wealth managers of Tata AIA today make more than ₹1 crore of income. Extremely proud of our life planners and our insurance wealth managers. Similarly, our leaders, when you become a leader, जब आप leader बनते हैं, you get an opportunity to build your own team, and the earning opportunity is limitless. Today, our top leaders, हमारे top leaders in India के, they earn more than ₹1.5 crore. So limitless earning opportunity awaits you with Tata AIA Life Insurance. Most important,
ಹೆಂಗಂತ
our
ಹೇಳೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ.
product suite. और हम कहते हैं हमारे प्रोडक्ट्स आर प्रेशियस प्रोडक्ट्स. अगर आप एक कंज्यूमर की नॉर्मल लाइफ साइकिल देखते हैं तो 3 फेजेस में हम उसको डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. पहला जो एजुकेशन वाला फेज होता है. सेकंड, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, इज द अर्निंग फेज. वो फेज में कंज्यूमर्स के जो नॉर्मल गोल्स होते हैं वो वुड बी टू प्रोटेक्ट वन हैं, जहां पे आप लाइफ प्लानर्स जोड़. वो फेज में कंज्यूमर क्रॉस, सो लिमिटलेस earning opportunity awaits you with Tata AIA Life Insurance. One's family, long-term solutions guaranteed. One's family, long-term solutions guaranteed solutions are the prime goals in phase 2, which is the early years of a customer. The third phase is the retirement phase. One's family, long-term solutions guaranteed. One's family, long-term solutions guaranteed. One's family, long-term solutions guaranteed. One's family, one's family, one's family, long-term solutions guaranteed. जहां पे जो प्रोडक्ट सूट, जो गोल्स उनके होते हैं, आर रिटायरमेंट, लेगेसी प्लानिंग एंड सो ऑन सो forth. What we know is that our products give our life planners, हमारे insurance wealth managers,
ಏನಂದಿ?
the edge in the
Screen
market.
recorded.
They have the best and the most
Give here.
comprehensive product suite which is available in the life insurance industry today, and that's the edge you
ಏನ್
get
ಮಾಡಿದಿ?
when you join Tata AIA Life
ಏನು?
Insurance. Moving on to the very very critical part
ಆಮೇಲೆ
of
ಸಿಗೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ
our
ಇದು.
proposition. आज मैं proudly ये कह सकता हूँ कि we have one of the largest, or I would say the
ಏನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ?
largest training teams in the life insurance industry. क्यों? Because we believe in building capability.
ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡರ್ ಆನ್ ಇಡ. ಇದು
We
ನನಗೆ
influence
ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ
the
ತಾಯಿಲೆ.
knowledge, attitude,
ನಿನಗೆ
skill
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೈತು.
and habits of our distributors. अगर आप फ्लेक्सी टाइम या लाइफ प्लानर मॉडल चूज करते हैं, वी हैव a well defined capability architecture which runs for 244 hours. If you go for the full time model, the insurance wealth manager model, we have a capability development roadmap of 450 hours. Includes online training, classroom trainings, internal training modules, external certification, because we believe that through this is capability development, through this choreography, we can increase your business, your income exponential. Last but not the least, the very interesting part of the Wings proposition is the support structure. I'm very proud that today our life planners, our IWMs, our leaders, they are able to operate वो completely अपना काम completely digitally कर सकते हैं. You can go to the next slide, please. Every part of our business is digital today. Right from जब एडवाइजर ऑन बोर्ड होता है, लाइफ प्लानर बनते हैं, आप ट्रेनिंग्स जो करते हैं, आप अपनी लीड मैनेजमेंट करते हैं, सेलिंग प्रोसेस डिजिटल है, कस्टमर ऑनबोर्डिंग डिजिटल है, सर्विसिंग डिजिटल है. A complete package digital architecture awaits you and gives you that edge and differentiates you in the life insurance market. Last but not the least, ladies and gentlemen, all of you know, we are going through a pandemic, we are going through tough times. Every state, every city, every organization is fighting it out. At Tata AIA, our motto is very simple. Our family, जो हमारे customers है, advisors है, leaders है, employees है, our family. we will do whatever it takes to protect our family. Whether it is financial support, non-financial support, digital support, Mediclaim, anything and everything is there in the purview so that we protect what is really real dear to us, which is our customers, our advisors, our leaders, and our employees. So to summarize the Wings proposition, as I said, a very, very clearly defined career path as a life planner, as an insurance wealth manager, and eventually as a leader. Limitless income opportunity, the top earners earning more than a crore on an annual basis. A comprehensive product suite which gives you the edge in the life insurance industry, support structure and capability development roadmaps to grow your income exponentially. I look forward to working with all of you in the near future. Thank you again for joining this program. I wish you well. Back to you, Angela.
That was a very insightful presentation, and I believe that during these protect one's family, or said before in his presentation, and thank you. Invite. It's my honor, genuinely, to invite our very special guest, that is Mr. Boman Irani. Someone who is known for his versatile performance in films like Munna Bhai, MBBS, Three Idiots, and Khosla Ka Ghosla. Passionate about acting since school, Boman tried training under, Coach Hansraj before making an unconventional Bollywood debut at the age of 44. As someone who's always considered himself as an underdog in school, but who learned the art of battling his giants, from accepting his dyslexia to changing gears throughout his life without losing steam. Well, I remember, speaking to Boman sir before and listening to him, he said, who made the rules? You can do what you want to do when you want to do, all you need is the grit and perseverance and the passion, and nothing is impossible. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm very, very excited to introduce to you and bring forth to you one and only Boman Irani.
Hi, everybody. Hi, Angela.
Hi.
Amit. Thank you so much. I heard most of what you had to say. I didn't understand everything, but I tried to understand, Amit. Chaitanya, good to see you. So nice of you to be here. Grateful. Hi, everybody. How many of you out there? It's nice. I'm waving out to you, sending a lot of love. This keeps us a little distant, but somehow I don't know. I figured out a way. एक साल के अंदर मैंने figure out किया कि ये जो कंप्यूटर का स्क्रीन है, यहाँ से भी एनर्जी लेना अपना काम है. मैं सब जगह से एनर्जी खींच लेता हूँ. मैं एक स्पंज हूँ और मैं एनर्जी चूस लेता हूँ सब जगह से. अच्छा, तो आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट. मैं मेरा टाइमर ऑन कर देता हूँ क्योंकि टाटा में तो पारसी लोग हैं ना, उन लोग टाइम के बहुत ये होते. तो आई एम स्टार्टिंग माय टाइमर. ओके, सो लेट्स गो. आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर विद यू अ स्टोरी, माय फ्रेंड्स. उसके पहले बता दूं, एंजेला ने इतना प्यारा सा मुझे इंट्रोडक्शन दिया. कोच हंसराज का नाम लिया. ये आपने Angela, you must have found this on Wikipedia about Coach Hansraj, right? I have no idea who Coach Hansraj is. Wikipedia says I'm happily married. You don't have to believe everything Wikipedia has to say. क्या बात करते हो तुम लोग. अच्छा, तो मैं शुरू करता हूँ मेरी छोटी सी कहानी. It is not a kahani of an actor. It's not a kahani of a film actor, celebrity, जो भी आप. I don't like the word celebrity. It's an actor. It's a story of a boy, एक छोटा सा बच्चा जो जिंदगी में एक बहुत सिंपल सा सपना था उसके पास. He had a simple dream and he wanted to fulfill that dream. बस जैसे सबका, आप सबका, कोई भी फिल्म आप देखो, you watch any movie, जो मेन कैरेक्टर है उस फिल्म में, जिंदगी में he wants something.
ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿ ಹೆಡ್ಫೋನ್.
अगर उसको कुछ नहीं चाहिए तो फिल्म बनाओ ही मत. Don't make that movie. अगर जो इंसान को कोई जिंदगी से कुछ मतलब कुछ उमंग नहीं हो, कुछ वांट नहीं हो, कुछ ख्वाहिश नहीं हो, क्यों सुने उसकी कहानी? मेरी कहानी बहुत सिंपल सी कहानी थी। मैं एक छोटा सा बच्चा था, मुझे स्टेज पे जाना था और कैमरा के सामने खड़ा होना था, बस। So we all have our wants, we all have our dreams, we all have our ख्वाहिशें, as all of you. तो मेरी कहानी और आपकी कहानी में कोई फर्क ही नहीं है, ये मेरा मानना है। मेरी कहानी और आपकी कहानी में कोई फर्क ही नहीं है। मैं शुरुआत करता हूँ, सिंपल सी कहानी है। I was born in 1959. I was born in 1959 in Mumbai. My father passed away in 1959. In May, I was born in December. तो मतलब सोचो कि 62 years पहले, 62 साल पहले मेरे पिताजी गुजर गए। मैंने देखा भी नहीं उनका चेहरा, लेकिन इस दुनिया में आ गया, लेट आ गया, 6 महीने लेट आ गया। तो इसके लिए मैं टाइम पे आके बैठ जाता हूँ, लाइक अ गुड ट्रू पारसी। मैं आके टाइम पे बैठ जाता हूँ, बिकॉज मैं दुनिया में लेट आया था। So, hi Amit, good to see you again. That was great. I heard your presentation. It was fabulous and inspiring. So anyway, so I came into this world, और मेरे इर्द गिर्द only women. Ma, she's 94 now. She's 94 in the next room. उनकी भी कहानी सुनाता हूँ। 3 बहनें, 28 चाची, मामी, चाची, काकी, सब 28. So I was surrounded by women who used to protect me. And protection is good. Pyar is good. Zyada protection is not good. We should not be too protected. We should be fighters. Anyway, problem क्या था कि मुझे speech defect था। आज जो मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, आज भी आपको लगता होगा मेरे पास speech defect है। Effect बोल दिया, देखा? And I could not speak because I used to speak like virus. आपने 3 Idiots देखी होगी, तो मैं वायरस की तरह बात करता। सचमुच कह रहा हूँ, मैंने वायरस का जो स्पीच पैटर्न था, मैंने मेरे बचपन के बमन से चोरी किया है। मैं ऐसे ही बात करता था और लोग हंसते थे, मुझे बहुत बुरा लगता। I used to feel terrible about it and I had a complex. So because of that complex I never spoke. मैं बात ही नहीं करता था. And it really had an effect on my mind. When I went to St. Mary's School for my interview, the principal, Father Molinitz, said, "Don't worry, Mrs. Irani, I will give him admission. I just have to show him 2-3 photographs. कुछ जानवर के पिक्चर दिखाऊंगा और उनको मिल जाएगा एडमिशन." बोला ठीक है। मुझे दिखाया घोड़े का। अभी हॉर्स बोलना है तो मैं ऐसे करके बोलूंगा, तो मैंने जुबान ही नहीं खोला, क्योंकि जुबान खोलने से जुबान मेरी निकलती थी और लोग हंसते थे और मुझे तो बहुत सारे कॉम्प्लेक्सेस थे। फिर चूहा दिखा तो माउथ बोलना पड़ता, तो मैंने कुछ बोला ही नहीं, मैंने जिप मार दिया अपने मुंह पे। अभी जो फादर मॉलर्ट ने कहा कि एडमिशन मिलेगा, एडमिशन दिया ही नहीं उन्होंने। Saying, "Mrs. How can we give admission to this boy?" ये बोलता ही नहीं। I never spoke. घर गया, मेरी माँ रोने लगी 10 दिन के बाद। And this is very important, guys. This is very important. It's about understanding human behavior. After 10 days, he called up my mother and said, "Mrs. Irani, which child does not know what a horse is? Which child does not know what a mouse is?" He knows. He doesn't know how to say it because he's afraid. He's got complexes. Send him. And he gave me admission. And I think this is very important. Don't push your own children. Don't have to tell your team members कि तू ऐसा है, तू वैसा है। लोग मुझे डफर बोलते थे। डफर नहीं था मैं डिस्लेक्सिक था। डिस्कैल्कुलिक था। आज भी I have number problems. आज भी If you ask me my son's birthday, मैं सोच समझ के जवाब दूंगा, क्योंकि मुझे नंबर्स याद नहीं रहते। It's a learning disability. उसका मतलब नहीं कि मैं डफर हूं। So don't judge people by your definition and your standard of duffer. वो बुरी बात। Anyway, क्लास में मैं तो कुछ सीख ही नहीं पाया, मेरे नंबर अच्छे नहीं आते थे, फिर भी ऐसे कैसे धक्का मार मार के हाई 3rd क्लास में मैं पास हुआ है। एंजेला हंस रही है, हाई 3rd क्लास बोला तब पास हुआ। मुझे कोई शर्म नहीं है, लेकिन मेरी माँ she understood this कि जब मैं गाना गाता था तो मैं बिंदास गाता था, एक्टिंग करता था, बिंदास एक्टिंग करता था, डरता था नहीं। Because I found a space, I found a security, I found जो कहते हैं अंग्रेजी में safe space. It was on the stage. She recognized that, she encouraged me. Do that with your children, guys. Find their safe space. It's very important. So anyhow, I passed my 10th standards कैसे भी करके, And I did not know डॉक्टर नहीं बन सकता था, लॉयर नहीं बन सकता था, क्या बनूं, मैं सोचा मैं वेटर बन जाता हूँ. तो मैं सोचा वेटर बनता हूँ लेकिन बेस्ट होटल में काम करूंगा. कोई भी चीज, go for the best. You are in the best place possible for what you guys are doing. Tata, AIA, what more do you want? Okay, I should not be, but it is amazing. You must go for the best. तो मैं भी टाटा कंपनी में ही चले गया. ताज महल फर्स्ट क्लास तैयार हो गए. 18-19 साल का छोकरा था, गया. पारसी मैनेजर थे, खड़ूस सा. He was such a खड़ूस. उन्हें बोला which department do you want to work? स्टाइल से बोला, डीप वॉइस निकाल के. Food and beverage. बोला idiot. Hotel business is about food and hotel business is about beverage. क्या बात करते हैं? Sorry sir, I want to join the rendezvous. Oh, French restaurant. बोला yeah. Top floor. Yeah. Very good, very good. मैं बहुत खुश हो गया. Very good. You're a man with a want. ये वर्ड सीख लिया तब मैंने. You're a man with a want. तो ही अपनी कहानी सुनने में आएगी ना किसी को. You have a desire. आपकी कोई ख्वाहिश है. क्या बात है. मैं खुश. मैं समझा मैं सीधा फ्रेंच रेस्टोरेंट में जाऊंगा. सबसे महंगा रेस्टोरेंट हिंदुस्तान में. बोला start in the basement. Start in the basement. He said, yeah, you can't go up just like that. You have to pay your dues, young man. And he sent me in the basement where there was a kitchen and that was a room service. And he started me with room service. 2 साल मैंने रूम सर्विस में काम किया. टिप्स कलेक्ट करता था. 9 रुपए की चाय, कभी कभी 5 रुपए की टिप मिलती थी. ऐसा लगा मैंने I made $1 million. $1 million कमा लिया. क्यों? क्योंकि मैं खुश था. मैं खुश था. माँ को फोन करा, माँ I made for 40 rupees in tips. क्या बात है बेटा. All right, be proud in your work, guys. इसमें there's no better feeling. Anyway, माँ का फोन आया, मुझे एक्सीडेंट हुआ है. मैं घर पे गया. She was lying in bed, broken rib. बोला दुकान पे कौन बैठेगा? दुकान थी हमारी छोटी सी. हमारी दुकान थी जहाँ पे मेरे grandfather काम करते थे, मेरे पिताजी काम करते थे, and then my mother after my father's death. Imagine my mother had 3 little girls and me in the tummy. I was not even born, but she ran that shop to educate us. Or it must have been hard for her. But she said, you'll have to sit at the shop. तो मैं दुकानदार बन गया. For 14 years, 14 साल तक मैं दुकानदार था. दुकान से ही मैंने जहाँ पे दुकान पे था, that I got married, I got 2 kids. But the problem happened is that I became comfortable. Comfort is a very big problem. वहाँ पे मैं गल्ले पे बैठता था. गल्ला means you know what a गल्ला is ना? Counter. गल्ले पे बैठता था. और सब लोग मुझे, मैं जब छोटा था, चाचीज मामीज मुझे बेचारा बमन बोलती थी. बेचारा बमन. अब तो बमन सेठ बोलने लगी. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता था. And that made me comfortable. And this is a warning, a red flag. It's a red flag. Don't become comfortable. Big thing. The moment you become comfortable, remember, there will always be lockdowns in your life. Whether it's a viral lockdown, pandemic lockdown, or some other lockdown, we'll talk about it. Comfort will make you lazy. Anyway, I was so comfortable, I had not even taken my family out for a holiday in all this period. तो मैंने सोचा मेरा जो पिगी बैंक था ताज वाला, मैं ब्रेक करके I will buy a camera because I love, my father was a photographer. मैं भी फोटोग्राफी का बहुत शौक था और स्पोर्ट्स का बहुत शौक था. तो मैं स्पोर्ट्स फोटोग्राफी करता था. स्पोर्ट्स डे, कराटे चैंपियनशिप, फिर साइकिल रोड चैंपियनशिप, बच्चे लोग का मैराथन, जो भी छोटे छोटे इवेंट जाके मैं 25-25 रुपए में मम्मी डैडी को फोटोज भेजता था. 25 रुपए में. इट वाज नॉट अ बैड अमाउंट. कलेक्ट करके मैं हॉलिडे पे गया. हॉलिडे पे जब गया ऊटी, तो विदाउट प्लानिंग वी guys, let me tell you, all of you who are sitting there, I don't know how many people are sitting out there, let me tell you, whatever you're doing today, no matter how hard you work, whatever your want in life is, eventually there's one more want. Okay, you work for your family. My family should be proud of me. My family should be happy with me and say, this is my dad, this is my mom. So we do all this for them only. तो जब मैं गया ऊटी में होटल में, ऐसा लगता था वो होटल राम से फिल्म का भूत बंगला था. And this is the basic planning I didn't do for my family. मैंने कह रहा हूँ, you have to stay in a presidential suite, but some basic तो चाहिए ना. वो टाइम पे इंटरनेट नहीं था, कुछ नहीं था. I booked it on Yellow Pages. I went. It was so scary. वो दरवाजा भी राम से पिक्चर का वो जो दरवाजा खुलते थे ना साउंड इफेक्ट वाले करके दरवाजा अंदर गए तो अंधेरा. There was darkness in the room. It was pitch black. I went inside. I told that guy, light on, please. He went and switched on a light. Light on किया, light on किया, light on हुआ. फिर भी अंधेरा. You know why? You know why? Because it was one bulb in the room. एक ही बल्ब था और वो भी 0 watt. 0. I said, this is my life. This is what I've bargained for. This is what I got. This is what I worked for. This is what I got. मैंने मेहनत नहीं की. I wanted to give my family a good time and I got a 0 number bulb. You work, you get that much. It's as simple as that. And I was shattered. I said, I have to work better. You know, you cannot do this small thinking. I came back and I said, what is the biggest sporting? My sports photography बहुत अच्छा करता हूँ. What is the biggest sporting event coming to India? And there was a World Cup of boxing coming to India. There was only one sport in India, cricket. उसके बाद कुछ नहीं. Boxing का Olympians आने वाले थे. मैं बोला, my aspiration should be like Taj, Tata, World Cup, same. I went and met the Olympic committee president, boxing wala, and I showed him my portfolio. He saw my pictures, saying very good pictures. I said, sir, I want to be the official photographer of the World Cup. And he threw it back on my face and said, sorry. I said, we don't need your services. I said, why? He said, you're that wafer wala? मैं wafer बनाता ना, भट्टी में wafer मैं भी fry करता था फिर बाद में. हाथ में छाले पड़ जाते थे कसम से. Don't think कि ऐसे ही एक्टर बनता है आदमी और अच्छे कपड़े पहन के आपके सामने लेक्चर देता है. थोड़ा वक्त लगता है. Yeah. So he said, तू वेफर वाला है? मैं बोला हाँ. बोला आलू के वेफर? मैं बोला हाँ. You know everything about potatoes? I said, I know everything about potatoes. क्या बात कर रहे हो? Saying, what do you know? I said, मैं एक potato हाथ में उठा के मैं I can shove my thumb inside the potato and tell you after how many days, कितने दिन के बाद उसको फ्राई कर सकते हैं. कौन से गांव के आया, कौन सी कितनी मिट्टी है, मिट्टी से मैं जान सकता था कौन से गांव से आया. क्या बात कर रहा है? बोला हाँ मैं एक्सपर्ट. कहां से लेते हो? मैं बोला onion and potato market मंडी. Wow. You know anything about onions? बोला no. यही प्रॉब्लम है. You know about cycle races, you know about cricket matches, you know about running, you know about long jump. You know nothing about boxing. Just because you're a sports photographer, it doesn't mean you know everything about boxing. This is a World Cup, boss. So when Amit is telling you all stuff, take it in. Know your subject. Be powerful with the knowledge of your subject. Well, he's telling me the right thing. Again, जैसे वो पारसी ने बोला, ये भी सही बोल रहा था. Know your subject. And I went and started taking photographs of boxing. बॉम्बे में कहाँ था बॉक्सिंग उस वक्त? एक छोटा सा टूर्नामेंट था और मैं जाके देख रहा हूँ, मतलब ये कहाँ से वर्ल्ड क्लास फोटोग्राफ्स मिलेंगे यहाँ पे. एक शेड में था कसम से. और बॉक्सर भी पतले पतले ऐसे लग रहा है कैसे करूं मैं ये. But remember this, if I saw those guys, those weak looking boxers and that bad light and that bad shed and say यार मेरा इधर वर्ल्ड क्लास पिक्चर नहीं मिलेंगे, मैं चले जाता था. तो वर्ल्ड क्लास पिक्चर नहीं मिलते थे. You have to believe that the resources that you have, जो भी है मेरे पास, मेरे हाथ में जो भी है, उससे मैं अगर नींबू दिया तो मैं वर्ल्ड क्लास नींबू पानी बनाऊंगा. तो मैंने ये देखा, बोला मैं वर्ल्ड क्लास पिक्चर्स लूंगा यहां से. सोच के वांट होना चाहिए ना. मैंने पहले ही बोला था, पहले ही सेंटेंस में वांट होना चाहिए. तो मैं गया, मेरा छोटा सा कैमरा था, सबसे सस्ता कैमरा. मैं बोला 35 साल के बाद, 32 साल का था, अभी कैलकुलेशन मुझे आता नहीं. I was 32 years old. I'm 62 today. आप कैलकुलेट कर लो, आप मेरे से होशियार है. So I was taking pictures and मैं बोला यार, I need to do something different. My angle should be different. Not just the camera angle, but my whole take, my philosophy. जो कम है उसको use करो. The moment we start grumbling of our resources, our game is over. अरे मेरा बाप ये नहीं, अरे मेरा friend circle ऐसा नहीं, मैं छोटे गांव में हूँ, मैं. Those are your advantages. Because everybody who's coming to take photographs over there are taking one photograph and going away. Who? The press photographers. क्यों? क्योंकि दूसरे दिन उन लोग के पिक्चर पेपर में छपेंगे ही छपेंगे ना. Because they are in the comfort zone. But because I don't have a job, I have to work that much harder to be out of the comfort zone. तो मैं अलग अलग एंगल, ऊपर तराफे से जाता था, ऊपर से मैं शॉट्स लेता था, अलग अलग एंगल, and use the darkness of that room to make dramatic pictures. Use your disadvantages, guys. Like I used my lift as a bacha, I used it as virus. You know what I'm saying? Don't think of it as a problem. The problem because everybody else is getting terrible pictures. So if you take one good picture, people say, ये picture कहाँ से है? कहाँ लिया था? वही shed में, उसी shed में, जो paper में तुम देख रहे हो, आप देख रहे हो pictures, उसी shed में मैंने ये dramatic picture लिया. 10 दिन मैंने काम किया. I worked for 10 days and then I finally went and met this gentleman and I gave him Aspi Adajania उनका नाम.
Only
I gave
200
him
rupees.
my file.
Only
My
200
file
rupees.
and he put it in the drawer and he shut the drawer.
How much I'm playing,
Nice
sir?
आदमी है.
Only
बहुत
200
मेहनती.
rupees.
Never lose hope. Never lose hope if you worked hard. You paid your dues,
See.
remember.
Hmm.
Only that.
He took out an envelope and gave me an envelope. I opened the envelope and I said, Red, there's a letter inside. And the letter said, you have been appointed official photographer of the World Cup. Oh, yeah? I said, sir, but you have not seen my photographs. You know what he said? I did not have to. I did not have to. I knew you would come back with good pictures. I could see it in your eyes. I knew you had fire in your belly. And I'll say one thing to you guys. Remember, there are many products in the market. Competitive, less competitive, more competitive, price-wise, better, less, I don't know. Many times, not many times, most of the time, people buy the product because of the guy who's selling the product. Remember that. If you go with an attitude, they don't like the guy, they don't like the product. You go with the fire, they like the guy, they like the product. It's as simple as that. Go with fire, go with sincerity, know your subject. Never think of yourself lower than anybody. And I got the job. I got the job. I was introduced to a Norwegian boxer by the same guy who wanted 3 photographs. And I was going to be paid in dollars. And I found out that, you know, they'll anything from $60 to $100 they'll pay me per photograph. 25 रुपए वाले को अभी डॉलर में बात करें, $60 to $100. मैं बोला मैं चांदी हो गई. And I worked so hard towards those 3 photographs. उसने पूछा, what will you charge? मैं बिजनेसमैन नहीं हूं, तो मैं बोला इंटरनेशनल रेट्स. क्या बोलूं मैं उसको? तो मैं बोला इंटरनेशनल जो भी है, तुम जो अमेरिकन को देता मुझे दे देना. Why should we think of ourselves as less as anybody than anybody else? कभी अपने आप को कम नहीं सोचने का किसी से. Anyway, so I went to took those photographs, sent the photographs. नॉर्वे से फोन आया. पेपर का नाम था, मैगजीन का नाम था वीगी. ये नाम याद रखना. और वो पहले भी ताज के मैनेजर का भी नाम याद रखना, सैम भाड़ा. वो भी नाम याद रखना मेरे लिए. चैतन्य, I know you're listening. So he said वीगी. तो बोला. So he saw the photographs. I sent them to Norway. उसकी बहुत लंबी कहानी है. अभी हमारे पास वक्त नहीं इतनी लंबी कहानी करने के लिए. But I sent the photographs and he said, these are wonderful photographs. But you know how those photographs got taken? When I went to the World Cup boxing here in Bombay, all Olympians were there. I'm looking at my little camera. उससे मैं बात करता था, boss. I used to talk to my little camera. उसको नाम भी दिया था, Alfred करके. Alfred, अच्छे फोटोग्राफ लेंगे हम दोनों मिलके. लेकिन उस दिन मैं थोड़ा बहक गया. I lost my concentration for a short while because I saw everybody else, big cameras and this winder, those machine, those auto winders, and you know, क्या मुझे समझ में नहीं आता. मैं I go for the soul, I don't go for the technique. और मैं बोला मैं इससे कैसे लूंगा फोटोग्राफ्स. Again, I said to myself, don't look at your resources. Don't look at your resources. Don't think of yourself as less. Don't say I'm from a small town. In the small town, you're the biggest guy. And doesn't mean that in the big town, the guy who's got the opportunity is doing his best because he's comfortable. He thinks he's got the whole Maidan is open for him. Just as we think of ourselves right now in a situation where we are at a disadvantage. No, you might look at it as an opportunity. Then what happened? जो नॉर्वेजियन बॉक्सर था जीतने वाला, अगर वो हार जाता तो कौन उसके फोटोग्राफ्स खरीदने वाला है बोलो? उसको बहुत मार पड़ रही थी. जर्मन बॉक्सर उसका धाड़ मतलब यार ये तो उल्टा हो गया यार. मतलब कोई बात नहीं. I could see my dollars flying. No. Don't think of the money. Think of the commitment. You have to commit. You have committed to those photographs. Don't think of your money. मेरा पैसा नहीं. You have to get the photograph. Then you will get the money. But if you're thinking of the money, you will miss the photograph. So I said, Alfred, तेरे साथ ही हम लोग ने ये वर्ल्ड क्लास पिक्चर लिए थे और ये सब जो बैठे हैं ज्यादा स्टाइल में खड़े हैं, भूल जाओ. इसको मार पड़ रही है. एक शॉट देगा अमिताभ बच्चन की तरह अमर अकबर एंथनी में. याद है भाई? एक मार लेकिन सॉलिड. याद है ना? वही अगर वो हो गया तो मैं I'll be sitting and worrying about money going flying away. I was focus. When you go in with fire and focus wherever you go, whether it's on the Zoom call or whether you're going personally. Focus and go with a smile. I put a smile. I went there and the German को एक मारा, German गिर गया, मैं फोटो ले लिया. अगर वो चूक जाता था तो सब कुछ पूरा गेम चेंज होता था और मैं बोलता अरे यार I was grumbling यार. Grumbling मत करो. Don't bloody grumble ever. I got the photo. I sent those photos. He said, sir, how much money? I said, I told you international rates. Phone पे बोल रहा, नॉर्वे से बात कर रहा, लंबे बात. Love your photographs, Mr. Irani. क्या बात है? I said I didn't know what price to put. फिर मैं सोचने लगा, $60 रहेगा. अभी याद आ गया. I mean mathematics by memory याद आ गया. 60 into 3 180, 100 into 3 300. जो भी मिलेगा अच्छा है. 180 मिलेगा या 300 मिलेगा, जो भी मिलेगा अच्छा है. मैंने अपना काम किया. Commitment. I fulfilled my commitment. Okay. तो फोन पे वापस आया, बोला we love your photographs, Mr. Irani. So for 3 photographs we'll give you $300. Okay, thank you. So go to the manager and collect your $900. What? 300 into 3 is 900. He was willing to pay me $900 for those 3 pictures. I said, my God, remember, the money will come. And they come in spades. Don't think about the money. Think about the commitment. Think about what best foot you can put forward. 1 week later, another check came from Norway of $900. एक और check आया. बोला नहीं यार, ये तो पैसे मिल गए हमको. देखते तो सही, कुछ गलती हो गई रहेगी. I opened it. लिखा था $900 for reprinting your photographs. This is ethics, boss. What are these less? What am I telling you? I'm just telling you, if ethics are around you, you can never fail. $900. फिर $900. फिर $900. मतलब ये तो कमाल हो गया. They kept sending me $900 every time they printed my pictures again. There was no internet, website कुछ नहीं था. As far as I'm concerned, they had overpaid me. And then they are paying me over and over again. Why? Because there's value. There's value of hard work. There's value of good work. It will never, ever go unvalued. I started a studio. I took a loan. मैंने कुछ गलत किया business में. And I took a loan. Then I got no clients. ऐसे ही होता है ना. If you want something, if you have an intention for something, obstacle तो आना ही है. और मैं सोच रहा हूँ 1992 I don't know, 1993. And I was saying, ऐसे कैसे हो गया? I remembered Sam Bhada's words. Pay your dues. अब तो advertising कर रहे हैं. Nobody knows that you can be a good sports photographer. You're an advertising photographer यार. सीखो एक ग्लास को फोटोग्राफ कैसे करना टेबल पे लगा के वो सीखो. तो उस जमाने में there was a pandemic, a lockdown. Do you know of this, Chaitanya? No. It was a personal lockdown. It does not have to be a global pandemic. Life will throw problems at you. And I was stuck in that studio from morning to night. Could not step out. I used to sit there and say, Mera kya hoga? And I realized that that pandemic, that lockdown for me is no different from this lockdown. 2 years, I had only 2 days of work. And I'm only paying from my pocket. I'm selling things. I sold my wife jewelry. My wife and I, she was very, very keen that I sell off her wedding jewelry and pay off the interest upon interest. I said, don't do this. You know what she said? I couldn't afford a rice plate. I could not afford petrol in my scooter, guys. That was a lockdown for me. But in that period, I would take something, place it on the table, and put every single angle, permutation, combination, and studied photography, lighting, angles, lenses. This is our time. This is our time. We have got the time to learn something. What Amit teaches you, read it 500 times. 500 times. I'm not joking. Anthony Hopkins, great actor, Oscar winning. अभी भी ये साल भी Oscar जीता उसने. बोलता मैं स्क्रिप्ट 500 बार पढ़ता हूँ. क्या मालूम कुछ मिले उसमें. एक वर्ड मिल जाए तो मेरा दिमाग की घंटी बज जाए. This is the time we got to sharpen ourselves. Keep reading that presentation that Amit said. Keep reading it. Read about just how to, what's the best way to talk on a Zoom call. This is the time to learn. You'll not get this free time. And that was my free time. इतना मैं practice करता था इतना, because जब खुलेगा ना ये lockdown मेरा 1992 में, जब खुलेगा ना lockdown, दम लेने को टाइम नहीं मिलेगा ना. ये तो हमें भी मालूम है. ये जब लॉकडाउन के लिए तुम लोगों को दम नहीं मिलेगा टाइम लेने को, टाइम के लिए दम, मैं क्या बोल रहा हूं, मैं डिस्लेक्सिक हूं यार. दम के लिए टाइम नहीं मिलेगा. बराबर बोला ना चेतन. You must understand this. This is not going to last forever. And when it opens up, be prepared. Be prepared because you know your subject. Be prepared because you know how to present yourself. Be prepared because you'll have this experience of using lockdown time well. Right? And then suddenly one day Shamak Davar time, mera time kya ho raha bhai? Time, am I overgoing time? Nahi, time hai. 10-12 minute baki hai. Daro nahi. So Shamak Davar aaya. Suddenly when my wife said, no, sell off this jewelry, I said, ऐसे मत करो. Say, क्या फर्क पड़ता है ज्वेलरी कबर्ड में रखी, क्या होगा? मैं तू क्या समझता, मैं ज्वेलरी पहन के मैं खूबसूरत लगूंगी? नहीं लगूंगी. तू हंसेगा तब मैं खूबसूरत लगूंगी. Simple philosophies of life, boss. Simple philosophies. I did. हिम्मत से बहुत कुछ होता है. लेकिन during that period I did one more thing. Not only did I practice, all my failings, whatever failing I might have, say grumbling, जो मैं grumble नहीं करता हूँ. चलो, unpunctuality, छोटी सी failing, correct कर लो. जो भी अपने failing है, iron out कर लो. अगर ये इसके अंदर कुछ ऐसे iron का mark रहेगा, यही दिखाई देगा. सूट नहीं दिखाई देगा, ये मार्क दिखाई देगा. उसको iron out कर लो. Use this time to understand what your failings are and correct them. This is what I did. And when it opened, oh my God, there was no time to breathe. Because then you'll only be gaining experience. You'll not be gaining knowledge. When you are working, there's experience. Knowledge, you stop reading. Reading time is now. Lockdown time. So things started opening up. Shamak Davar becomes the first celebrity I work with. He introduces me to people. Things don't stop. One day Shamak takes me to meet Alec Padamsee for an audition. I said, audition क्यों? तू तो actor है. मतलब कौन बोला? झूठ मत बोल. अपने आप को झूठ मत बोल. And he took me. And I got a role for 3 minutes in a play. 3 मिनट का रोल मिला. बोले यार मेरी एक ख्वाहिश थी यार, यही शायद होगा, टाइम इज राइट. मैंने सब मेरे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी किए, अब मेरी ख्वाहिश पूरी करता हूँ मैं. I went, I got the role. 3 मिनट का रोल था. And I realized one thing, ये 3 मिनट का रोल में तू क्या करेगा? मतलब बहुत कुछ होता है. Great actor once said, Laurence Olivier, there are no small roles, there are only small actors. 3 मिनट था, मैंने इतना प्रैक्टिस किया उसके लिए, इतना प्रैक्टिस किया. I'm not good at sayings, I'm not good at quotations. But Bruce Lee का एक quotation था, Bruce Lee कराटे वाला. He said, I do not fear a man who has 1,000 kicks. I fear the man who has one kick, but he practices it 1,000 times. मतलब मैंने प्रैक्टिस किया, I went on stage और मैंने मेरा पीस किया. Audience clapped, audience laughed, audience was whistling. मेरी एक ख्वाहिश पूरी हो गई. I stood on stage, लकड़े का stage, lights, audience, मुझे और कुछ बहुत अच्छा लगता है. But I worked hard for that 3 minutes, and then things started rolling. I got play after play, and my play started doing well. जो प्ले 3 शो के लिए बुक किए थे, 10 साल चला हाउसफुल. 3 शो छोटे थिएटर में, 10 साल चला बड़े थिएटर में. क्यों? Because we didn't think it was a छोटा play. I played Mahatma Gandhi. I lost 30 kilos and played Mahatma Gandhi. My friend Sudhir Joshi from the theater, from Marathi theater, my dearest actor friend, passed away 15-16 years ago. He said, कौन सा रोल कर रहा है? बोला गांधी. अरे कर ले, you must do यार, you must do. बोला गांधी. Saying कौन? महात्मा गांधी. पागल हो गया? मैं समझा फ्रंटियर गांधी खान अब्दुल गफ्फार खान का रोल कर रहा था. बोला नहीं यार, क्या बात कर रहे हो? बोला हाँ, मैं वो मजाक कर रहा हूँ. He said, remember one thing, and this I say to sales teams, when you sell something, like I am selling a character, I'm selling to you to make you believe I am someone, right? That's what acting is about. If you don't believe, they won't believe. First, believe yourself. If I believe I'm Mahatma Gandhi, then only they'll believe they are Mahatma Gandhi. Physically, तो कुछ भी कर सकता है. I lost 30 kilos, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा. You have to believe. Belief is everything, boss. Anyway, I went from one thing to another, and my play started doing well. And finally, one guy came and said, I want to make a movie with you. मैं बोला चलो चांदी. वो भी experimentally था. मेरे नज़र में सब experimentally आता था उस वक्त. You have to write the film. You have to rehearse the film. And then we will shoot it in 8 days. 8 दिन में. On a handycam. Handycam. iPhone is 500 times better than those handycams. You know which handycam? हम अपने अंकल हमेशा पार्टी में घूमते थे ना, स्टार्टर को भी शूट करते थे, फूल पत्ते को भी शूट करते, लाइट को शूट करते, वेटर को शूट, वो वाला हैंडीकैम. उस पे मूवी लेकिन 1.5 साल हमने मेहनत की उस पिक्चर पे. बोला पिक्चर 8 दिन में शूट किया हमने. और मैंने डायरेक्टर से पूछा कब रिलीज करेंगे? बोला रिलीज तो करनी ही नहीं थी ना हमको ये पिक्चर, ये तो एक्सपेरिमेंट था. बोला ये रियली? हाँ ऑफ कोर्स. But we put so much hard work in. We had a premiere in his house. 11 of us attended. Standing ovation दिया. Reviews भी कमाल के दिए हमने खुद. Have faith in what you do, guys. But one man saw the edit. वो पिक्चर अपनी बना रहा था ब्लॉकबस्टर, बहुत बड़ी फिल्म बना रहा, और बाजू के कंप्यूटर पे हमारी फिल्म की लेट्स टॉक की एडिट चल रही थी. बोला ये क्या पिक्चर है? आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट यूट्यूब के बहुत पहले, मैं 20 साल 22 साल पहले की बात कर रहा हूँ. ये क्या है? ये एक्टर कौन है? उसको घर भेजो. आई वेंट टू हिज हाउस, बिग प्रोड्यूसर डायरेक्टर, gave me a check of 2 lakhs. Said this is for my next movie. I said really? Saying which is your next movie? Saying मेरे पास कहानी ही नहीं है. तो ये ऐसे होते हैं फिल्मी लोग यार, मेरे पास कहानी ही नहीं. बोला क्या बात कर रहे हैं? पैसे किसके लिए? He's saying because when you start doing Hindi films, you'll not give me time. Remember, once it starts, I told you before, you don't have time. I'm booking you now. I said, really? मैं बहुत खुश हो गया. 8 महीने के लिए गायब हो गया. 8 महीने के बाद उसका फोन आया, अरे यार कहानी मिल गई, कमाल की कहानी मिल गई यार. बोला पिक्चर का नाम क्या है? He said पिक्चर का नाम है मुन्ना भाई MBBS. मैं सोचा बहुत बकवास नाम है एक्चुअली. बोला कहानी क्या है? अरे एक गुंडा है, वो डॉक्टर बनना चाहता है। बोला इससे भी बकवास लग रहा है मुझे, ज्यादा कहानी भी बकवास लग रही। मेरा रोल क्या है? तो एक डॉक्टर है और तू हंसते रहेगा हमें पिक्चर में। बोला मर गए। जाके राजू को मिल। सर आपने ये विद्यु विनोद चोपड़ा है भाई, राजू को मिल। राजू कौन है? मेरा असिस्टेंट। मैं बोला मर गया, असिस्टेंट शूट करेगा आपका पिक्चर? तू जाके सुन तो सही। तो राजू ने मुझे कहानी सुनाई, बहुत अच्छी लगी कहानी। एवरीथिंग हैज टू हैव हार्ट एंड बिलीफ। रिमेंबर, always have belief. When you're putting something out there, if you don't believe, they won't believe. I went, we shot the movie in literally record time. I'm just checking my timer. In literally record time. And budget, no one wanted to back this movie. No one wanted to distribute this movie. No one wanted to finance this movie. कैसे भी करके हमने ये पिक्चर बनाई। ये पिक्चर बनाई। लास्ट का जो शॉट था, शादी का मंडप का शॉट, हमारे पास पैसे नहीं थे मंडप के लिए। तो हमने वो डेकोरेटर को बोला क्या करे? बोला नहीं साहब, दूसरे की शादी में घुस जाके शूट करो और क्या। बोला ये अच्छा आइडिया है। तो हम लोग किसी के शादी में घुस गए, मंडप के पीछे बैठ। कैन यू इमेजिन? लोग बोलते हैं ना पिक्चर में बहुत लैविश होता है, बहुत पैसा होता है, बहुत ओनली हार्ड वर्क। एवरीवेयर देयर इज स्ट्रगल। रिमेंबर दैट वी आर नॉट द चोजन वंस, एवरीबॉडी इज स्ट्रगलिंग। और हम, मुन्ना भाई, वन ऑफ इंडियाज मोस्ट लव्ड फिल्म्स, सुनील दत्त साहब, संजय दत्त, सब लोग छुपे हैं, नीचे बैठे हैं मंडप के पीछे। जब बाराती घर गए, हम लोग स्टेज पे गए, शॉट्स लिए और भाग गए वहां से। This is how we made one of India's most loved movies. Nobody touched the movie. World distribution, ये क्या है? गुंडा डॉक्टर क्या है? अरे पिक्चर देखो तो सही, फिर पता चलेगा। लेकिन पिक्चर कोई देखने नहीं आया पहले 2 दिन। पिक्चर was declared a flop. शायद आपको ये मालूम नहीं। मैं जाके देखता था मराठा मंदिर के बाहर। बोला यार इतनी अच्छी पिक्चर, लोग जितने भी लोग बैठे थिएटर में हंस रहे, रो रहे, क्या हो रहा है? मैं बाहर आया, I was very, very sad actually. But I said, nahi, there's something in this movie. I heard a voice, very rough voice. And I heard a voice saying, hey, Mamo! Zameen pe there was a lady sitting. She's looking, Mamo? बोला हाँ। I felt very good यार, मुझे कोई पहचाना और मेरे कैरेक्टर के नाम से पुकारा मुझे ना, मामू। बोला जी। And she said what no reviewer has ever said in her life or his life. इतना अच्छा लगा। She did like this. मामू क्या काम, कमाल का काम किया। मैं एकदम खुश हो गया। क्या बात है बमन। She saying, मामू हम लोग बहुत पैसा कमाएंगे। मुझे ऐसा लगा कि कोई प्रोड्यूसर है, 3-4 फ्लॉप के बाद रोड पे आ गई। क्या बोल रही है? हम बहुत पैसा कमाएंगे। मैं ब्लैक में टिकट बेचती हूँ, मुझे पब्लिक का न समझ में आता। ये पिक्चर उठेगी और हम लोग बहुत पैसा कमाएंगे। तो मैं राजू को फोन किया, राजू हमारी पिक्चर हिट हो गई।
ब्लैक टिकट सेलर के
ट्रेड गाइड बोला, हाँ सिनेमा बोला, वो तारा नदश बोला। बोला नहीं तो कौन बोला? वो एक ब्लैक मार्केट में। अरे तू पागल हो गया, ब्लैक मार्केट वाले की उससे बात सुन रहा है तू? Believe it or not, the picture picked up the next day, and it became what you guys know in Munna Bhai MBBS. 5 days later, December में release था तो तुरंत हमको
I'm listening.
nominations भी आ गए. In 5 days, 10 nominations.
I'm listening. You play.
On waiting to
You play.
for the awards. एक रात पहले मैं और अरशद कुछ रिहर्सल कर रहे थे। बोला कल तू क्या पहनेगा? बोला क्या पहनेगा मतलब? बोले सूट। बोला मेरे पास सूट नहीं। तेरे पास सूट नहीं है, क्या बात करता हूँ, सूट मंगा लेते। बोला अभी 24 घंटे। अरे यार फिल्मी लोग 24 घंटे में सूट बनाएंगे। बोला नहीं मेरे पास पैसे भी नहीं थे। बोला सूट कैसे बनेगा? तो मैस्कुलिन नरेश भाई को फोन किया। हेलो नरेश भाई, हाँ बमन ईरानी के लिए सूट। तो कौन है बमन ईरानी? अच्छा है, बेटर, जाने दो, मरने दो। 24 घंटे मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है, अवार्ड सीजन है, मेरे पास टाइम, प्लीज यार, वो शायद कल जीतेगा बेस्ट सपोर्टिंग एक्टर। बोला नहीं, कौन सा पिक्चर? मुन्ना भाई। क्या काम किया था? बोला अरे वो टकला मामू, ओए मैं उसका बहुत बड़ा, मैं भी बहुत खुश हो गया। मतलब लेकिन सूट के पैसे नहीं थे मेरे पास। बोला हेलो सर, मेजरमेंट का क्या करेंगे? मेजरमेंट के लिए टाइम नहीं तो कैसे बनाएंगे? आपका हाइट क्या है? बोले 6'2". हाइट से थोड़ी कोई सूट बनाता है यार। आई एम पेइंग गुड मनी, आई वांट क्या कॉलर यहाँ पे बनाएगा? मतलब क्या, मतलब व्हाट आर यू सेइंग? एक फोन पे शांत हो जाओ। मेरे पास मुन्ना भाई का डीवीडी है। जब आप आएंगे ना टीवी पे, मैं डीवीडी प्ले करूंगा, टीवी पे आएंगे, फुल लेंथ में आएंगे तो मैं पॉज करूंगा, आपका हाइट क्या 6'2", मैं टीवी पे मेजर करूंगा 6'2 इज इक्वल टू 12 इंचेस, और बाकी का सब चेस्ट वेस्ट हम लोग करके मैं कल तक सूट भेजूंगा। बोले चलो ठीक है, बहुत अच्छा। तो मैं स्टेज के नीचे खड़ा था गाइस, मैं स्टेज के नीचे खड़ा था ऑन अ टावल, टावल पकड़ गया ऐसे, नेकेड, नो सूट, और ऊपर अवार्ड फंक्शन चालू है। मैं बोला ये भी गया। एंड देन आई हर्ड, जैसे कि लॉकडाउन में भाजी तरकारी वाले आते ना, दूधी दूधी ऐसे कोई आवाज, बमन बमन नहीं रहा। मैं बोला इधर आओ, मैं सूट पहनने लग गया और द अनाउंसमेंट स्टार्टेड, एंड व्हाइल आई वाज वेयरिंग द टाई, प्रेम चोपड़ा साहब अनाउंस माय नेम एंड आई रैन अप द सर्विस रैंप। आगे से नहीं जा सका, पीछे से हम अंधेरे में सर्विस रैंप जहाँ पे उसे स्लैट्स होते हैं, मैं ऐसे ऐसे करके मैं गिर गया, ठा करके ऐसे ऐसे मैं गिर गया, घुटने पे ऐसे लगा, मैं ऐसे ऐसे किया, वापस भागने लगा, वापस गिर गया, फिर से उठ के मैं बोला क्यों भाग रहा हूँ यार, आराम से जा, जिंदगी भर दिस इज व्हाट यू बीन डूइंग, यू बीन रनिंग, यू बीन फॉलिंग डाउन, यू बीन गेटिंग अप, यू बीन डस्टिंग योरसेल्फ, यू बीन गोइंग, आराम से जाओ। आई वेंट ऑन स्टेज एंड कलेक्टेड माय फर्स्ट अवार्ड, but I have not gotten comfortable yet, guys. I'll tell you something, two or three things I'll just say. Last year I went to Oslo with my wife for some film festival, and they gave me an award over there. And there was being interviewed by a lady, and she was asking me questions. What's your next movie? What is this? What is that? And so I said, which magazine are you from? She said, from Vigi. I said, Vigi? She says, yeah. See, I've got a very wonderful story for you. I said, what story? It's about a young photographer who sold you 3 photographs. Life has its wonderful ways of spinning around, guys. Many years ago, when I became an actor, I went to some New York Lexington Hotel, and there was this gentleman came, welcomed me, very smart gentleman, gave me flowers. I said, I can't accept your flowers. He said, why? I said, please give them to your wife. He said, okay. He said, why you can't accept my flowers? He's saying, sir, don't embarrass me. I said, why? I said, sir, Mr. Sam Bhada, you're the gentleman who gave me my first job and you taught me life's greatest lesson, pay your dues. You know how beautiful this is. This is so beautiful. The first 5 rupees I earned at Taj Mahal Hotel, I have a photograph of 5 rupees I carry around with me, because you can add any amount of numbers to 5 rupees to your salary. But if you don't have that fun and excitement when you make your first 5 rupees, then it's not worth it. I promised myself that excitement I had on that day, I'll have even today. For every session that I do, if I don't do it with passion, I can't go and tell my mother I did a good job, right? My mother is sitting in the room. She's not well right now. And every single time she used to send me on stage, my friends, every time she encouraged. Encourage your partners, encourage your subordinates, encourage people above you. She would always use one word in English. She's saying, son, sparkle. This morning I went, before coming to you guys, she said, sparkle. That's all you need. One word. Do it. Make your 5 rupees, make your 5 million, make 50 million. But don't lose the passion while making it. You'll get too comfortable. And that you don't want. Ladies and gentlemen, the rest of my story, you know better than I do. Thank you for listening to me.
Thank you so much, Mohan sir. I think 2 thumbs up. You're virtual. I can clap. What phenomenal life lessons. Thank you so much. I've written so many things. It's been phenomenal, and I want to ask you some questions if you're okay.
Please, sir, please don't say that.
Sparkle it is. Sir, आपने बात की very passionately about women in your life and what they contribute. I'm very happy to share that in our business too. I mean, women really lead our top advisors, leaders. They've transformed this business. So, your message on women being entrepreneurs.
You know what? My mother and my wife, they're not ordinary people. They're not. No woman is ordinary. That's another story. My mother, when my daddy died, did not know how to write a check. We were in debt of 62,000 in the year 1959. I'm more or less saying, what will I do? But they get the strength. Something they have. I'm telling you, it's a strength that maybe a guy doesn't quite get. And she said, anyone, because there were hospital bills and kya, and people were saying, likh ke do, don't have the receipts also, don't worry. If we owe you money, tell me now, because then I've got to have a target. I don't want 5 years later anyone to say, dekho yaar, they owe me money. Because the principles are right. The ethics are right. And my mother, I don't know how she did all that. I have no idea. 3 little girls, ding, 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 and me. How did she do this? I have no idea. She's sitting over there, and I have to go back, and I have to report to her. How did it go? Who listened? What did you say? And I say more or less the same kind of story. And I said, they asked about women. I have to tell her that Amit asked me. She'll smile. She'll give me a thumb up. She's not well today. She's not well. She's not well at all, in fact. She's 94, 90, she'll be 95 in a few months. But she needs to know, because that's how you bring up kids. That we don't have as much as women do. Amit.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And I completely appreciate, on behalf of everyone, you taking out time in these tough times. Thank you so much, sir. So you speak about comfort zone. Don't get into comfort zone. I just like to share a story. हमारा पूरा physical business एक ज़माने में कहते थे कि साथ में मिलो, physical processing करो. But I think as an organization, kudos to our existing distribution. हमने जो पिछले 1 साल में इस पैंडेमिक में जो डिजिटल की तरफ जो लीप ली है is just phenomenal, and it's like necessity is the mother of invention कहते हैं. Completely digital now. सालों से हम कोशिश कर रहे थे, but last 1.5 years we're proud that today we have all the digital tools and we are able to operate with all safety, as today, for example.
I didn't hear the last 2 lines.
I said, as today, for example, we're talking to 6,000 people, you coming on board. I think digital is really phenomenal.
I don't like this word, the new normal, For us, it is the new normal. For our children, this is the normal. Everything will keep changing. Don't say, yaar, because we did not do it, it's become, everything is fine. I look at it this way. I teach every day, by the way, Amit. During this lockdown, whatever I learned as a screenwriter, as an actor, I share. And I'm teaching every single morning. Now, if I had to find the time to drive in through the traffic to go and book a hall, this is working out well, better. Everything is better only. Don't look at anything as worse. And I think that what's wrong in embracing technology, or as you say, necessity is the mother of all invention. Let's learn. Let's stop grumbling. I think first thing first, you'll never learn the invention if you're grumbling. You must look at it as an opportunity. I teach every single day and I say, I would not be able to have done this had I been working 365 days of the year. I'm so proud of that. And it's because of digital. Don't think of it as a problem. Think of it as an advantage. Everything is an advantage. ऐसे ही सोचने का. Everything is an advantage.
Completely agree. I know we are running out of time, but last question, one more question from my side. I think आपने बात की ethics. Be proud of yourself.
On link ಕಳಿಸಿ ನೋಡು, ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿನ್ನ ನಂಬರ್ ಹಾಕ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ.
Our motto is, it's about go out and serve the society. Our distributors today really they do business with a high moral ground, because they know that the product which they are giving is what every Indian requires. And
necessity ho gaya ye.
And kind of resonated with the importance of value, ethics, and be proud in what you do.
I think one more point that I'd like to add here, Amit, to what you guys are doing. From the way I see it, earlier it would be, okay, let's see. It's become, I think, using your own words, an essential service, number one. And two, what I think we have to look at ourselves as, when I say we, I mean talking to people who are listening in, is now you have a responsibility, a true responsibility. It's not just the business. That's part of your ethics. To understand your responsibility, that you are obliged to take care of these people and give them the best possible advice. To me, it's not business, it's a responsibility. And that is a huge thing. When somebody's advising me on something, you're looking at the other guy's requirement, not your own. That's ethics. When you mention ethics, I feel that is what ethics is all about.
Fantastic, sir. I think phenomenal conversation. I'm sure our audience really learned a lot from your life lessons. I can only say, you're a phenomenal orator, a big, obviously a big actor. You're a legend, but above all, you're a great human being. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Amit. Thank you, Chaitanya. Thank you, all of you listening. I can't see you, but I know you're there. I hope you're smiling. Let's all smile together. We know that we can all smile in unity, and to understand that we are on the same page. You don't have to take my words for it, but if you take one takeaway also, I'll be very happy. At least I can go and tell my mother that they took one takeaway at least. Yeah, it comes from her. Thank you, Angela. You're doing a wonderful job. Thank you, Rohit, and all of you. God bless you all. Take care of yourselves. Help a friend.
Thank you, sir. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed the session. Would like to end again that as Tata AIA, we believe that this program, Khwabon Ka Raksha Karan, we believe it's a step to really, which gives you the power to protect your dreams. We have a promising career opportunity. We call it Wings, whether it is the career development program, limitless income, a fantastic product suite, and above all, the support which you need, it will be there. And we believe that with the support system we have, we will make you successful in the life insurance business. Just one click away or one more step. If you feel that this is the opportunity for you, fill up the online form. We do a selection process, because जैसे आपने देखा कि हमारे पास multiple programs हैं. The selection process में, along with our leaders, our senior employees, we help you identify that, which is the right career path for you. And obviously there are some mandatory trainings which you'll have to do. With that, you're good to go. Lastly, I would just like to say again to all who are listening, I think for us, our motto as Raksha Kartas is to serve the society. Join us. Let's work together. Thank you all for your patient listening. Take care of yourself. We wish you well. We hope to working with you in the near future. That's it from my side. Back to you, Angel.
Thank you so much, Amit. That was a fantastic closure. And I would like to say that, how beautifully Baman Irani sparkled the screen, sparkled our hearts. And, I think each one of us feels very more empowered right now after attending this whole session with Amit and Baman. Ladies and gentlemen, here are the few takeaways that I have from both the sessions. I would like to say that, as I have said this before as well, that Tata AIA believes in fulfilling dreams. And, it truly stands with its Raksha Kartas. And when Amit was speaking before, he even said that being a Raksha Karta is about protecting lives, is about making a difference. So we wish you all the very best, and we look forward to seeing you really soon. As Baman said, that, whatever you do in life, do it with passion. Do it with all, the passion, the perseverance you have, and go sparkle. I'm sure each one of you feel really, really good after both these sessions. And we hope that you have a lot of takeaways, from these sessions that you can apply in your life and feel more empowered and work harder and achieve your goals. Thank you again for joining us and giving us this massive, massive response. We are truly grateful for the support all of you have showed us. And we look forward to seeing you really, really very soon. This is your host, Angela Ribello, saying goodbye and thank you for giving me this opportunity to, meet and greet all of you here. Take care, everybody. Stay safe, stay happy, and we see you really, really soon.
Thank you.